Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade options in Etoro, a leading online trading platform. Trading options can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially increase your returns. But it requires a solid understanding of the basics. First, you need to open an account on Etoro and deposit funds. Once your account is set up, navigate to the trade section and select the asset you want to trade options on. Etoro offers a wide range of assets, including stocks, commodities, and currencies. Next, click on the Trade button and select the Options tab. Here, you can choose from call or put options, which give you the right to buy or sell the underlying asset at a predetermined price. You can also select the expiration date and the strike price. To buy a call option, you expect the price of the underlying asset to rise. To buy a put option, you expect the price to fall. The premium is the cost of the option, and it will be deducted from your account balance. When trading options, it is essential to understand the concept of volatility and time decay. Volatility affects the price of the option, and time decay reduces the value of the option as the expiration date approaches. To minimize risk, consider setting a stop loss and a take profit. A stop loss will automatically close your position if the price moves against you, while a take profit will close your position when you reach your desired profit. It is also crucial to have a solid understanding of the Greeks, which include delta, gamma, theta, and vega. These metrics help you understand the risks and potential rewards of your options trades. In conclusion, trading options in Etoro requires a solid understanding of the basics and a well-thought-out strategy. By following these steps and best practices, you can potentially increase your returns and diversify your portfolio. Remember to always set a stop loss and a take profit, and to carefully monitor your positions to minimize risk.